Sam, what are you doing here?
I'm trying to call for superheroes and ask for their autographs.
Everyone would be so jealous. So who are you trying to call?
I want to call Ninja Turtles.
Well, I know someone who can help you.
For real? Can I take a photo with them, Susie?
I think they won't mind.
Sue, did I miss them? Where are my heroes?
No, you're right on time. Here they are.
What? I thought you talked about real superheroes.
Everyone can be a hero. Guys, want to see a trick? Whoosh! Voila! Give a thumbs up if you liked it.
Maybe, but I bet they can't compare to the original Ninja Turtles.
Let's see if you change your mind later. Let's make masks.
Masks are useless. You can see who they are anyway.
We'll take a bit of white and black clay. Here, let's mix it. Do this very well for like 10 minutes.
Will it work, Sue?
Of course. Plus, we're quite experienced in makeovers.
Okay, which turtle will this baby be? I bet on Michelangelo.
Sammy, you're so wrong.
Meh.
She is an LOL version of Donatello. Let's call her Donna.
Since she is the smartest, huh? I challenge her to repair my bicycle.
You still don't trust their abilities? I'm sure these dolls will surprise you. There you go.
They? But I only see one masked doll.
Aha! Let's add some magic then. Whoosh! Ta-da! Check out how cool they look now.
In that case, anyone can be a superhero, even a pink slime.
No way! We're gonna color them green too. Rachel, let's do this.
Rachel is Raphael, right?
Yup.
How will you color them?
Girls, let's make you the best green cover. Rachel, you're becoming a turtle now. Be prepared.
Susan, Rachel isn't pleased that you took her head off.
I'll bring it back very soon. Stay away if you don't want to become green too.
Oh no! Shiver me cheddars. Rachel, let's save our true colors.
Now we can add some texture and black dots to the body, like this. Awesome!
I've come for an inspection. Let's see what we've got. Reptiles texture and nice camouflage. I must say, this doll has the potential to become a ninja.
Whew! I'm relieved. Rachel, let's color your hair now.
Oh, I have so many ideas. Should we color it pink?
I hate to disappoint you, Sammy, but her hair will be green too.
Susie, where's your creativity?
We still have to make their accessories and weapons, so other colors will come in handy.
I have a faster way to create LOL mutants. Radioactive goo is coming! Guys, it was just a prank. There's no radioactive goo here.
Give us a thumbs up if you like it, and our LOL dolls are ready for the next step. Let's go!
Finally! Red scrunchies and bobby pins are awesome!
Guys, use a brush and you won't paint her face accidentally. And highlights on her hair will be yellowish green.
But I can color something on purpose.
If you want to color something, it better be her headband. Here!
Wanna distract me, Sue? And you actually did it!
We're done with Rachel! Guys, here is Michelle. Let's add dark green highlights to her hair. Don't worry, girls, you're next for the body art. This one's ready, so are the others. Girls, you'll have to wait a bit for the next stage. We need some clay again to make their superhero outfits. It's soft at first, but then it solidifies. And makes a great armor. Cool!
We could make armor for slimes. We're awesome too.
Let's take care of our turtles first. Here we go.
Holy cannoli! Is it gonna be golden? Keep on going then!
I'll make it golden, Sammy, but first let's deal with the details.
Guys, did you hear that? Sue always keeps her promises, and so should you.
When the clay dries out, we'll color it this way. Here's a silver metal zipper. These two complement each other so well.
Let's cook more work, Sue! Susie! LOL mutants can't wait any longer!
Okay, got it. Like someone needs their help right now.
You know, Sue. Help! Help! Slime is in danger! The thing is real and it's chasing me! Ah!
How is it? Seems like you lost your attacker.
I think he slipped on the way. Hello, my superhero! Hey! Where is her turtle shell?
You can make body plates for others, and I'll make the shells.
Okay, Sue. But I'll be back very soon. I'm watching you!
Guys, let's hurry up and not make Sammy nervous. The shell consists of multiple layers. And now let's add some volume.
Sue, how's it going with that shell?
Pretty great! We actually can try it on.
Woohoo! Shiver me chatters! Now they really look like Ninja Turtles!
Just this one left. She looks so cool! Guys, do you see what's different?
I wonder if she notices.
Guys, Sammy did great! Check out this sign! I love it!
Sue, I also painted the headbands.
Awesome job!
Whoa, thanks.
Let's finish with her turtle shell then.
While you're busy, I'll deal with their weapons!
Q-tips are useless in a real battle. You should create something more combative.
Got it, Sensei Sue! I'll follow the advice!
Guys, I totally love the result. Give a thumbs up if you do too.
We need to hurry! Great danger is coming!
What danger?
My empty stomach! I'm getting hungry!
I have something for you.
Play?
Pizza! Ninja Turtles like it most, and there's a real one in the fridge.
Yay! Be right back!
This one is ready. And what do we call Leonardo's LOL version? Maybe Leah? Well, Leah, let's bring your girls back. Hup. Sammy, where are their weapons?
Whoopsie! Pizza controlled my mind and I didn't finish them.
Oh, at least this one is ready for combat. Donna, it's yours. You can start training. And these are… I'm confused.
These are nunchucks! These are how they should look.
I'll make another pair. Hup, let's do it. Wow, all done. Wow, Sammy, I hope it's not made of my necklaces. They definitely look more realistic when painted.
And how do you like mine? Ha! Defend yourself!
I have a weapon too, Slick Slime. You're done.
So we have one more weapon to make. I surrender this time.
Yep. We can't leave Rachel without a weapon. She has a pair of sai.
And katana is for… nunchucks is for…
Girls will deal with it themselves.
Okay! Susie, the real pizza inspired me to color this clay version.
It looks so cool.
Yay!
Let's give a slice to each little ninja. Hup, 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 and done!
Guys, our superheroes are ready for a battle! Let's go! Just scooch over a bit. All right.
Seems like you're the leader of a new superhero team.
Yep, I realized that I don't need anyone to save me.
One more photo?
Okay. Now I have my selfie with LOL Ninja Turtles. That's an exclusive picture.
Then you need a rap sensei to teach you how to… hey, where is everyone?
Shiver me chatters! We have our own Splinter guys, but we have a problem. Our turtles are missing. Are they afraid of a rat?
I guess even superheroes have their weaknesses. Guys, if you liked our video today, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Be your own heroes!